Hi, hey, it's me again. I'm gonna show you now a sculpture which is an adaptation of the final sculpture, because the real sculpture, actually it is a real sculpture, but it's not as the project. It's not exactly as a project the way I pictured it, because I don't have the money now, I don't have the technology to make the sculpture the way I want. But this sculpture is kind of interactive. This sculpture is called Gravitational Perspective. And it's a ring. It's a ring like this. Because it's like the one I want to make in the future, which turns like this, and it has the little thingy which makes a sound, and this little thingy is attached to this part, and it's called gravitational perspective, because when it turns, the centrifugal forces the objects to stay attached to the floor, to the internal side of the ring. It's like in physics when you have a washing machine. When you have a washing machine and you turn on the washing machine, and the washing machine spins. When it spins, all the clothes get attached to the inner side of the circle, and so it drains the water from the clothes, from the cloths, from the linen, from everything, from the jean trousers and everything, because the centrifuge forces the masses to go to the outer side of the ring, but the internal side of the ring prevents them to do so. So only the water that can pass through the holes go to the outer side, and it gets to another compartment, and so the clothes get dry, or almost dry. And this is a very similar idea. I didn't explain it well, but it's a similar idea. This part gets attached to the inner circle, and when it's attached to the inner circle, it spins. The final version is going to spin, and it's going to stay attached to the inner circle. But I had only money to make this one, which doesn't spin, and but you can imagine, the person who understands about physics and watched sci-fi movies already understands what this means, or the person who visited NASA in Florida or in Alabama knows about this, because it's like the washing machine and the spinning cycle. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.